Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
There may be times when your document has multiple objects such as pictures, shapes, or text boxes, and you want to arrange them in a way that you want. So you can do that by aligning, grouping, and rotating them in various ways. So to align two or more objects, just select the object. So hold down the shift key. So I'll select that one, then hold down the shift or control key, then click on the other object, and they are both selected. Then under Format tab, go to the Align command, and from here you can choose whether to align left, to align center, or to align right, like that. Now you can also group objects. Let's say you want to resize them or move them. Move all those objects at the same time. Now again, select them by holding down the Control or Shift key. Then under Format tab, click on the group command, then group. Now they will be grouped, so you'll be able to move them together. So I want to move them anywhere, I'll do that to them as a group. You can also resize them, and whatever changes I'll make to these shapes, it will affect both of them since they have been grouped. Now to ungroup, just select the shapes again, then under Format tab, go to Group command, then select Ungroup. And as you can see, the shapes have been ungrouped, and now you can resize them or modify them individually. Do whatever you want. Now you can also rotate or flip an object, and to do that, select the object, then under Format tab, come to the Rotate command, and from here you can choose to rotate at right 90 degrees, like that. So if I move this down here a little bit, so you can also rotate left 90 degrees. You can rotate it however you want. You can flip vertical, horizontal. You can do whatever you want to this shape or object or whatever you're working with in Word.